Flask web service in this video. Maybe I'll go to projects, and then I have Python. Let me create a new folder here. Flask service. Select. So that creates that's our root folder for this application. So I don't have a so we need to, for anything that we do in Python, we obviously have to create a virtual environment. Virtual environment actually separates your dependencies for that particular application. So let's go on and do that. So there are two ways to create it. In this, I'll use Control-Shift-P. That will open the command prompt, and then type Python create environment. So we'll use VNV. And then I use Python 3. Is by default selecting Python 3.10, so I'll go with that. Let me create a, so it creates a folder called VENV. Let it finish creating. That's it. So, all right, okay. Let's go to new terminal now. So when you go to new terminal, automatically it selects that virtual environment that's already created for you. So now you're already on the virtual environment. Now first thing you need to do is python/m pip install Flask. Enter. That downloads all the dependencies. Okay, there we are. And then now what we can do is that you can see this is a file, new file. Create a new file and then say app.py. From inside the app.py, from Flask import Flask app equal to app equal to Flask underscore double underscore there underscore name. So let's write hello world function. We need to define the root for it. So I want to define it on the root default root, that is slash. Sorry, my keyboard is a little bit, yeah, there you go. Home method return hello Flask. That's a simple tiny web service that you have written here. That's your first method, and then save that. So once you save it, go back to your terminal and say python/m Flask run. So if everything is good, you get an application that's running on port 5000. You can press Alt and click and then that should automatically open a window. There you go. So that's where your content is, so you are getting there. If you see an error that the Flask module cannot be found, make sure you run python -m pip install Flask in your virtual environment as described. Yeah, so there you go, that's your first service. You can also debug this service. I'll show you in next video how to debug the service.